Hi folks, today we will be talking about the Highland Bagpipes. These are what we use in the pipe bands in Northern Ireland. This is what we call the blowpipe. This is what we use to blow into. It takes a lot of puff to get this bag filled. Like this. And that's the bag filled once you hear that sound. Once the bag is full of air, we squeeze it and we can play the tune with our fingers on the chanter. This is where we play the tune, where we just finger various notes, hopefully the right notes, in time parts. And hopefully all the noise will carry up into these drones and out, so everyone can hear them. So let's take a closer look at my chanter. So my chanter is made out of African black wood, which is mostly used, but there are different various types of chanters made out of different things. So our chanter have 8 holes and 1 on the back, as you can see. This is the secret to our chanter because it has a very special thing inside of it. It's called the reed. This is what makes the bagpipe sound. So when we blow into it, the air travels through your bag and crosses this, and that makes the reed vibrate, and that's how we get our sound from the chanter. So this is our mouthpiece, and you can see there's a little hole just in there. That's where the air travels through, and we have a little stopper inside of this, and that stops when we take a breath. It stops and covers the hole so all the air doesn't escape. So back in the old days, these bags would have been usually made out of animal hide, but now we use some synthetic materials now. So I'm going to show you a very easy note, and it's just covering all these holes here but leaving that bottom one open. That is what you call low A, and here's how it sounds. And that's the way. So before going on to the bagpipes, every learner will have a chanter, just like the bagpipes. There's a reed inside of it, and it just screws on, just like that. And this is very cheap and affordable. So as in the bagpipes, there's another hole here, so we just blow into it, and this is what it sounds like. The difference is, with the bagpipes, it's more of a high-pitched sound, but if you're just learning, this is easier to just go into your band and just play this along with all the tunes, and you won't hear it because it's a lower pitch. The difference is you don't need a lot of puff to fill up the bag with this because it's just easier to blow into it for learners. Now I'm going to show you different types of styles on the bagpipes. First, you're going to have a march. The next style is a reel. And the last one is a jig. I hope I've taught you something about the bagpipes, and I hope you try them one day as well.